Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a super practical topic: how to send money from India to Indonesia. Whether you're supporting family, paying for services, or handling international transactions, this guide will make it straightforward and hassle-free. Let's get started. First off, why would you need to do this? Indonesia is a popular destination for Indian travelers, students, and businesses, and sending money securely is key. The good news is there are several reliable methods available. One of the easiest ways is through online remittance services like Wise, formerly TransferWise, or PayPal. These platforms offer competitive exchange rates and low fees. To get started, you'll need to sign up for an account, verify your identity with your Aadhaar card or PAN in India, and link your bank account. Once that's done, select Indonesia as the recipient country, enter the amount in Indian rupees, and choose the recipient's bank details in Indonesia. The transfer can take anywhere from a few minutes to a couple of days, depending on the service. If you prefer traditional banking, you can use services like a CC Bank or State Bank of India, which have partnerships with Indonesian banks. Visit your bank branch, fill out the remittance form, and provide the recipient's details. Remember, you'll need documents like your passport and the recipient's bank information. Fees might be higher here, so compare rates first. Don't forget about options like Western Union or MoneyGram for quicker cash pickups. These are great for urgent needs, but they often come with higher charges. Always check the current exchange rate on platforms like Z.com to avoid surprises. A few tips to keep in mind. Ensure compliance with India's Foreign Exchange Management Act, FEMA, to stay legal. There's a limit on how much you can send annually. Also, watch out for hidden fees and use secure networks to protect your data. If you're sending large amounts, consider consulting a financial advisor. There you have it. Sending money from India to Indonesia doesn't have to be complicated. Give it a try with the method that suits you best. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.